So guys, we're out here today, and I remember the time when I used to come out here and I used to do line of sight, and yeah, it was fun. So that's what I'm out here today doing. I kind of don't do that no more, so I kind of don't want to forget where I come from. So I'm going to go ahead and fly this Martian 4. Thank you, Dronography. This flight's going to be for you, brother. He gave me some Emax 35 amp Bullet ESCs and some 2600 kV Racer Star motors attached to a Joshua Bardwell F4 flight controller. Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate you. So we got this up and running, and so we're going to do some line of sight. So I got the Session mounted out there, I got the 5 on my head, and we got the 3 on the bird. So let's go for it. The only thing I found with it is it doesn't sometimes arm its motors when I flip my switch, but it's doing it so far. So we're in angle mode, so let's have off with it. Like I said, I like the line of sight. Taking it back to the old school. Line of sight. Giz on. Get it, gig on. And see, like I kind of do the line of sight, but I still do the memory thing to try to bring it back on how much I turned it. And that's how I'm kind of good on with my FPV on turning too. So guys, had the Session up out there catching some footage, had the GoPro Hero 3 onto the Martian 4 capturing some footage, and everything went good. I only bumped the ground. I never actually crashed it in the ground. 2 packs. Yeah, had fun. So like I said, I wanted to do the old school thing. Kind of don't want to forget where I came from, and me doing FPV all the time, it's fun, don't get me wrong, but I'm the kind of guy that likes to have multiple tools in my toolbox, if you understand what I'm saying. So I like to have that line of sight security, that way if something ever happens I can just rip my goggles off and do line of sight.
Thank you for watching.